Let's talk about the conditional statements in Python. And we know that these conditional statements are very, very important because we ourselves put lot of time, lot of condition with us that, okay, I will do DevOps now, then after that I will do cloud, then I will do data science, or if I will do, if it is a rainy, if it is if it is raining, then I'll not go to office. Cloudy weather, then I will work from home, or if it's a sunny weather, then I'll go to office. So like you put lot of if, else, then else condition like this. Similarly, Python also has those conditions, but in terms of your programming logic. Here, in other languages, you write if, you write else, but in Python, you write else if as elif. Okay, not completely. You ignore se and the space, and you write it as elif. Now, whatever your if condition would be there, you will write that condition. Here, you have to put colon to make sure that this if statement is completed. Okay, so this acts as a delimiter after the if statement. The colon acts as a delimiter. After that, you will write whatever actions you want to perform, then the similarly elif and colon, then similarly else and colon, and your actions. Most important thing to understand here is that if you can't write it like this, okay, because Python follows a 4-space indentation character. Okay, Python follows a 4-space indentation. Means after these if conditions, after these loops and all, it follows a 4-space indentation. Okay, and it IDs and all this automatically do that. So if I want to do this, it will give me an error, expected an indented block. So this is the most important feature of Python. If from here, if I just hit enter, it will automatically give it a 4-space indentation. So this is the most important feature of Python, that Python follows a 4-space indentation. And you should, if that is not done, you will get an error as expected and indented block. Keep this in mind when you are writing your if conditions and your other loops and these things. So here we can see few of the examples that if it is written if is, what are these if, else? These are my reserved keywords. Okay, these are my keywords which are reserved in Python, and you cannot use them as a variables. So you will write if, and then whatever the condition is there, true, then you can print whatever the statement you want to print it. Then x equal to false, then again if x colon whatever the statement you want to write, then else colon whatever the statement you want to write. So this is how you can write your if else block in Python and perform the operations or execute whatever you want to do. Similarly, if you have elif, so let's say that if it says that location is equal to bank, and it's just basically making a comparison here between the two strings, that if bank is equal to auto shop, print welcome to the auto shop. Elif or else if, look, it bank is equal to bank, print welcome to the bank, else print where are you. So this is basically you can say that when you are putting the nested branch, or you are putting if, else if and else, then this is how you can write anything in the Python. Make sure about the 4-space indentation, make sure about the colon, and rest is the same which you do in the other programming languages.
Sachin, here we have defined LOC equal to bank. So we have to initialize that, right? Or even if we don't initialize, it's okay, because can we start directly without initializing, or do we have?
That's what I do. That you don't have to define the data types in Python. You don't have to do any initialization in Python.
No. I'm telling you the first line LOC equal to bank has to be there. If you delete that line and then run the program, then it will not run, right?
Yeah, true. That is that.
Okay. Okay. Right. Okay.
Okay. Now, if I want some input, from user. Okay, I want to. Okay, let's take in a different topic. So if you print this one, so this is that. So if there is one function also known as input function, basically in Python 3, which basically takes the input from a user. We'll see. We have that example in further slides. We'll see that. So okay, so this is all about the conditional statements in Python.